If you're a business owner in your 40s and you've hit your stride, why haven't you set up a system for your financial planning? You're not just getting by anymore. You have to have a real pay plan. You may take a salary, maybe you take owner draws, money's coming in and it's steady. But here's the real question. Is your money plan built for the next level, or is it stuck in the old level? So let me take a quick guess what life feels like right now. Your business is stronger, your bills are paid, you can take trips, maybe even buy some nicer things, help your kids save for school. But you also feel this little bit of pressure that's starting to build because now the stakes are higher. More money coming in can mean more money leaking out. And in your 40s, you start thinking, what happens if I get tired? What if the economy shifts? What if I want to sell the business someday? What if I want more time with my family while my kids are still home? The problem is typically good income, but with a messy system. Most business owners do a great job building income, but they don't build the system that keeps income working. So what happens? You end up with money in random places. Some in the bank, some in retirement accounts you can't touch for a long time, some in the business, maybe some in a brokerage account that you trade every now and again but don't look at regularly. And you're thinking, I'm doing well, so why do I still feel unsure sometimes? Here's a big trap I see with high earners and business owners. You can look rich on paper and still feel stuck. Why? Because a lot of people load up money into accounts they can't easily use until later in life, and that can limit your choices in your 40s and 50s. A simple way to think about it is 3 buckets. Bucket 1, money that is later money. Bucket 2, money that has special tax rules. And bucket 3, money you can access at any time. If your use anytime bucket is too small, you lose options. Options like stepping back from work. Options like buying a building. Options like taking time off with your kids. Options like doing a new project without stress. The goal is not just more money. The goal is control. Control of your time, taxes, when you can step away, and what you leave to your family. So what does that next level of planning look like for a business owner in their 40s? I like to break it into 5 parts. The first part being a cash plan that matches real life. Not a perfect budget, a real plan. We look at income, fixed bills, and the fun stuff as well, because your plan has to work on normal weeks and busy days. The second part is a tax plan that is built on purpose. When you earn more, taxes get louder, and how you pay yourself matters. Whether it's a salary, draw, the timing can all change the story. This is where your tax pro and your plan need to work together. We often coordinate with tax pros to look for smart moves, like using the right accounts and managing gains over time. The third part is a bucket plan for investing. Not all of your money has the same job. Some money is for now, some is for later, some is really far down the road, and some money is for your family after you're gone. One approach we use is a bucket setup based on when you'll need the money, whether it's 0 to 3 years, 3 to 7, 7 to 15, or 15 or more, or even a legacy bucket. That helps match risk to timing instead of guessing. The fourth part being protection for those what-if days. So if you're the engine in the business, you need a backup plan. This can be reviewing your insurances, not because it's fun, but because it protects your family and the business you've built. The fifth part is your exit plan, even if that's 20 years away. Most business owners will exit their business at some point, whether it's selling it, handing it off, closing it down, or passing it down a generation. If you don't plan early, you lose choices later. Exit planning is part of building wealth on purpose, not by accident. Let me paint a picture. For the same business and same income, but now your money has jobs. You've got cash set aside for the next year. You've got a plan for taxes so April doesn't punch you in the face, and you're not extending till October anymore. You're building money you can reach if you want to step back in your early 50s. Your retirement plan is not just save more, it's pull money in a smart way. And if something ever happens to you, your family is protected. That's the next level. Here at New Horizons Boutique Financial Services, we build planning around strategy first. That means we start with your goals, your life, your values. Then we build the money plan around that, step by step. We also work as a team, so you're not getting one person's view. Planning, investing, tax work, and estate planning, it all needs to fit together. And we often coordinate with a trusted network of pros, like tax advisors, estate attorneys, and that helps make the whole plan match up. Here are 3 quick questions you can ask yourself today. If I wanted to take 6 months off in the next 2 years, could I do it without wrecking my plan? Do I know where my next dollar should go and why? If I sell my business later, do I know how that could affect taxes and my family plan? If those questions feel hard, you're not behind, you're just ready for that next level. If you're a business owner in your 40s and you've built real momentum, I would like you to protect it. If you'd like help building a strategy-first plan that fits your life, you can reach out to us at New Horizons Boutique Financial Services. No pressure, just a real conversation to see what your next steps could be. If you found this video helpful at all, please comment, share, and subscribe if you'd like to learn more. I'll see you in the next one.